Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to build a powerful PC with Intel i7 CPU and RTX 4090D GPU. So keep watching this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and also share. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you want to buy these components, you can check the description of this video and also comment box. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.